Okay, it's Halloween, and I do have some Halloween items out here in the hut. For example, up here we have a robot Halloween pumpkin. Inside that pumpkin there is one of those neon flame flashing bulbs. And up here we have the Terminator Arnie head. That's the Terminator side. It's a latex mask. There's the Arnie side. I'm gonna have to yell over the super loud Machine Man band out here in the hut. And here we have another robot jack-o'-lantern head. Again, that would have the neon flashing flame bulb. Ooh, and the spooky robot skeleton head. And I believe there's another one down here. Yes. Another scary skeleton robot head with a flashing neon ball if you plug them in. Okay, we're going to have to get closer to the Machine Man band for the rest of these because they're Halloween costumes. It's going to be loud down there, but we're talking about the very top. When I get down there, you'll see a Lost in Space robot costume, the Tin Man, Optimus Prime, a few others. Here we go. And Lord only knows what that one is hiding back there in the corner. I think that's just about it for robot-themed Halloween stuff. I'm sure I missed something. Stay tuned. Have a great, happy Halloween from the Robot Hut.